lightning party. Became the Crane's Roost. Is that what it's called? It's a park. And they have live music and fireworks and stuff. But of course, you can see the sky. Oh, hear the thunder. I just hope.
Bought some cheap ones that wasn't throwing away.
Yeah, really. May have some in here and ponchos. I'll get a poncho.
I am not wearing a poncho.
They're clear. But anyways, we're gonna go here and watch some fireworks. Hopefully about 9:30, if they have it. over. We are tired. We're hot. We're sweaty. We gotta get out of this traffic. I hope y'all enjoyed the show, Fire Show. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And it's just July the 3rd, so we may go to one tomorrow night. I don't know. It's supposed to be just as hot. So Bree said, oh Lord. It's supposed to be just as hot. So I do not know if we will or not. So we're about to burn up. But anyways, we gotta get out of the way. I'm fanning. You're fanning me. You can't see. It's dirt. We gotta get out of this crazy traffic. Oh, this traffic. Oh, this traffic. Yeah, we're in line. We gotta go all the way down. Did you have fun at least? You didn't want to come, but it was hot, wasn't it?
It's hot.
Y'all, she had to use a porta potty for the first time in her life. Will you ever use one again?
It wasn't that bad.
Okay.
Really? Seriously? I hate them things.
Mud's dirtier.
Mud is not dirtier than pee and poop.
I mean, you ain't getting it on me.
Men's peed all over it in there probably. Anyway, ready to go to another one tomorrow night?
I guess.
You guess?
I guess.
Alright, she guessed. We'll see if we'll go.
Them teams in front of us. Good Lord.
You gonna be like that?
If I had a friend group.
They are everybody's wearing, okay? They're gonna break. The zipper's about to break.
They got quad strength.
Pictures up. That's true. That's a true fact. That took me 4 hours. What's up?
You remember her from last week?
Yes.
Yes. You've been her favorite for 11 years.
Huh?
You've been years.
Terrifying.
She loves you to death.
I love it. I've been around a minute, right? Long time. I know you can talk and say hello and stuff.
She's shy. She's shaking.
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
July, August, September, October, 4 more months. It'll be 16.
They all look mine.
She won't never go out by herself, y'all. Never.
Myself.
She said heck no. Alright, tell them bye. Bye.